guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make 4 cards using the Summer Donuts paper pad, the Summer Gingham, and the Stampin' Die of the Month, Donut Fun. So we're going to use the sentiment, "I hope this card makes you smile," from this set. In your paper pad club, there's always at least one paper pad that has cutouts on the inside. So I had run those through my brother's Scan and Cut. You can also just fussy cut these out with scissors. These cute little images, and I'm going to use those as my focal point on my card. So you get 4 of each design. We've got a really pretty page here. The tropical leaves in the background are this light pink, and then you got some green ones in the foreground with that cute donut with the little floaty, a little flamingo floaty. A sheet that looks like frosting. This very cute one that's dressed up as a pineapple. Some tropical leaves, some chocolate with sprinkles. This really fun page here. Cindy from Creating with the Heart on the design team did a really fantastic project using the big focal images in your 6x6 paper pads. She made a store quality gift bag. Turned out so cute. You got to see that video. This one has a really cute crab on it. Then we've got an underwater donut. Super, super cute. And here are the cutouts. So really fun. You get 4 pages of this. So if you didn't want to use all 4 pages, you got a really fun design on the back, which would be great to do a gift bag with. Then we've got some sprinkles. This really fun page of all of the donuts. So really, really fun. The gingham paper matches perfectly with this paper. Our new sparkle enamel dots coordinate very well with these colors. So you can see we have a color that matches in the paper pad here. This blue goes really nicely with these blues. We've got the orange, goes nicely with this. We've got the green and the yellow, and we have a pink. This one's more red, but you can see most of the colors match. The pink does match with the summer donuts. So I'm going to make 4 cards today. I've got yellow card bases, so I've got 4 yellow card bases. These are all A2 size card bases. So let's start with the first card. For my sentiment, I'm using the Donut Fun stamp set. This comes with your stamp of the month for June. I'm using the sentiment, "I hope this card makes you smile." Love that sentiment. I could use it for almost any card I make. I'm stamping out the sentiment assembly line style. So I just have this strip of paper big enough for my sentiment. And then as I stamp, I just move my paper down each time. And then I'm going to use the die to cut out the sentiment. So this does come with coordinating dies if you are on the Stamp and Die of the Month Club. You can take your die and just cut out the sentiment. I like having the die for the sentiments. That way, if I'm using pattern paper, I could add my sentiment right over like a busy pattern paper. I'm going to go ahead and do one more, and then I'll have a bunch of sentiments ready to go whenever I need them. I've cut out a sheet from the gingham paper pad in yellow, and I'm going to map this on this card base. I've cut this down to 4 by 5 1/4. So if you're new to my channel and don't know about our subscriptions, you can purchase the Paper Pad Club or the Stampin' Die of the Month or the Box of the Month. We also have a Junior Box of the Month. You can purchase them as a one-time purchase, but when you sign up for the club, you get 18% off. And you'll see the 18% being deducted in your shopping cart once you choose the frequency. Once you change your frequency to monthly, so you'll see a little drop-down menu that asks you what you would like your frequency to be, and there's a choice monthly. If you don't do that, then it's just a one-time purchase. Each month, the paper pads are just so super cute. I also cut out this pink, and then this from the donut paper pad, which is just so adorable. I'm going to use this with this little guy here. So this pink panel measures 4 by 3 1/4. And then I cut this one down just so there's a little border. This is 3 by 3 3/4. My next project, I will be working on the Plaid's paper pad and the ephemera that goes very nicely with that paper pad. The fall mugs. I also just did a project using all the new ephemera, like the cute little the mugs that came in, the fall mugs, the snowman mugs, the gingerbread, the pink holiday mugs, the ones that look like this with the watercolor. If you join my channel membership, you get exclusive perks. So there's channel content that I will be creating for members only. And I just did a really super cute project using those ephemeras. I'm also going to do a project for non-members. That will be my next video. I'll make a few cards. My next card will be using the autumn plaids. So I have another video going up. Before I put this down, I forgot I wanted to put these layers. So I have this layer here. I better work fast before my glue dries. So this is going to go on the side here. I wanted to add a peel-off sticker. Maybe I'll do this green. So just using a Love for Lizzie peel-off sticker to break up the two patterns here. And then this little square here, I want to add right here. Okay, so let me add some more glue because this is starting to dry. I'll just center this, and this one's going to get this cute guy, and I'm going to pop that up. We're also going to pop up our sentiment. Okay, so I want him in the corner. Okay, I think this paper pad is just too cute. Too cute. What do you guys think? Leave it down in the comments down below. I think if you make a card using this, you're going to definitely make someone smile. So let's put this little sentiment, some foam tape. So we now have channel memberships. There are 2 tiers to the channel membership. So you can, if you're like a frequent buyer at the Not Too Shabby shop, I have a tier 2. And that tier, you'll have access to an exclusive discount to the Not Too Shabby shop, exclusive sales, and for June, I actually have a free ephemera package from the ones I show in the exclusive video with a $35 order. So I'm going to be doing some fun discounts and just some fun stuff over there in the channel membership. And to join the channel membership, I'll have a link in the description box. Or if you're on a desktop, you'll see the join button next to the subscribe button. You could click on there to read more about it and join from there. You won't be able to see the join button on your mobile phone, and I didn't know that, and I had done a video. So if you want to watch that video, I talk more about it, but I didn't know that you couldn't see the join button on the mobile, and most people are on their mobile looking. So now I've added the link to the join button in the description box. so you can check it out from there. Okay, so we're gonna add some of these sparkly enamel dots. And I can do the yellow, the green. I might do the green because I did this little green strip. And I am just going to sprinkle some. Three little dots. So that will finish card number 1. I'm getting in a really good habit of decorating the inside of my cards. So I like to put a white mat and then some kind of little image in the corner or something like that, or maybe a strip of pattern paper. I think it really finishes off the card. And also this helps if you have thin cardstock. This will definitely make your cards feel a lot sturdier. So this little guy is going to go there, and I thought maybe I'd put this little donut and then have him like tucked under there. And then I'm not going to press it down too much because let me get him under there. Like that. Now he's from the paper pad itself. He's not one of the cutouts. But he was behind the paper that had the cutouts, and I just didn't want to waste him. So when I cut this sheet out, the other side, he was left over, so I just trimmed him up so I could use him. There, now I have a cute inside. How cute is that? For card number 2, I'm doing a similar layout. So we've got our base here measured at 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and then our layer is 4 by 5 1/4. So it's just leaving a little border around your card. So this one measures 4 by 2. So I'm going to do the same thing, add the peel off sticker, and I think I'll do, let's see, we were going to have this one here. What do you think? I could do the green. So what I'm going to do is put this one on and then just do the top and the bottom. So for this one I did cut it a little bit wider, so it's 2 inches, and then I did a wider strip. Since that will be covered, it works out. So this panel measures 3 1/2 by 3. I'm just going to center this, add our next panel, which is just a 1/4 inch smaller. We're going to pop up our guy. It's going to be down here. Okay, so my donut guy is going to be here in the corner. Let's see if I want him on an angle or not. It kind of looks cool on this side. Yeah, let's put him on that side. And then our sentiment in the center. And then we can add some enamel dots. Let's do the yellow on this one. Okay, so let's do the inside. I have a strip left over, so I'm just going to add that to the bottom. There we go. I think that looks super cute. So there is card number 2. And this would look so cute with googly eyes. Wouldn't that look cute? Let's do card number 3. And here's card number 3. It turned out super cute. Love this guy with the little snorkel gear and the crab on top. It's just adorable. So let's do card number 4. For our last card, I picked this pretty green for my backdrop. I picked the matching paper for most of the images to be the little side panel. The ephemera for this paper collection is arriving tomorrow, so if you've been waiting for the coordinating ephemera, I will start shipping orders out on Tuesday, depending on what time it arrives, but it's supposed to be arriving Tuesday. I'll be shipping out orders in the next few days. The farm floral ephemera is also arriving tomorrow, so if you had pre-ordered that one, it'll also be shipping out starting tomorrow. And I will be getting up that video. I will be working on the autumn plaids next. Okay, we'll add our cute little guy. Let's see, I think right about there. And the sentiment in the center. And let's see, we do have some matching enamel dots. So this pink matches very, very nicely. Okay, so that will complete card number 4. So let me put them all together for you. I almost forgot about the inside. So which one was your favorite? Card number 1? Card number 2? Card number 3? Or card number 4? Thank you so much for watching. I will have all the links in the description box for you. If you want to check out the Paper Pad Club or the Stamp and Die of the Month, everything is available on the website. I do offer the free enamel dots with your $60 order. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye guys!